Hi YouTube, this is the Presidential Tourist, and I'm back with another video. What I have here to show you, it's based on an unboxing video. It was a giveaway that a friend of mine, a fellow YouTuber, was doing, Daryl Turcott, who you really should check out his channel. He does a lot of great videos, and he seems to be an awesome guy. And I'll make sure I put his link down below. But he offered this up to anyone who wanted it, and I was lucky one to get it. It has some camera equipment, like in the camera bag, all cool stuff I've always been greatly interested in. And I thought, along with thanking him publicly, I do like an unboxing video and show you the cool stuff that he included in this package. Now, I haven't opened it yet. I know what's in it, because he filmed a video showing it, so it won't be surprised me, but it may be surprise you if you haven't seen it, and I get to show you the awesome stuff that's in it. Okay, let's open it up. I just got today. Hope everyone's doing okay. I know that flu's going around. Cool, look at that. It's a nice camera bag. Well, technically it could probably be for anything you want. This would be good on like more long-term stuff. If I plan to be gone for a long while, carrying more equipment. I use a fairly lightweight, smaller one. Can't fit too much. That I got at Walmart. Nice looking bag. Got two. Ah, cool. Look at that. It's nice, cool camera stuff. I know that. Let's see. What is this? Yeah, I know there were some information cards. This is how to use the polar color print mount. Awesome. Looks like the little direction booklet. Actually, I have a camera like that comes out. I always wanted to kind of collect cameras, older ones. They look really cool on the shelf. It's something I haven't been able to get around to doing. Some could be expensive, and some could be not so bad. It depends, like with everything. It's awesome. Cilia flash bulbs. You don't see these things around anymore. See if I can pull one out. Well, look at that. Really, I never seen a bulb like that. Kind of cool. It's all sparkly. Somehow must. I mean, a lot of times these were only for like one-time use. So maybe that like lights up or burns away in there. Whoops, you're not seeing. Sorry. It's cool. There's some others in there. I'm gonna have to take a closer look at that later. Pretty cool. This is neat. Unplug if not using flash. Okay. That's nice. Here's some of the old Polaroid film. It's not open yet. I'm gonna probably keep it closed. But that's nice. It's like it's 8 and 3/1/4 times 4.5 or 4 1/4 inch prints. Some cool stuff here, Daryl. I like it. And it looks like this is the same thing. Awesome. Yeah, this is a neat looking camera. I think he said it had some prints still in it. course, I'm filming it where you can still take a few pictures. I know it still would work. Awesome. Let's see. See how to pull this out. Give me a second. I'm trying to figure this out. Maybe push them together. Well, I don't know, but I know this here. This will, come forward. I'll have to look at this more later. This is awesome. I gotta look up a little bit in this camera. I don't want to fiddle with it too much, but that's cool. A neat case. Not sure how old this is. Maybe from the 60s or 70s. You might have a better idea, Daryl, how old this is, but it's cool. I like it. Thanks. I want one of those cool looking bulbs. Some other stuff. Some basically information packets. What do we have here? Yeah, just like he said, more of these things. Polaroid cold clip. It takes some time to go through all this, but pretty neat. Pretty neat. And the bag I like. Actually, I'm going to have some good use out of this. Especially if I plan to go on a couple-day trip or something like that and do a lot of filming for this channel. This will definitely be of help. So like I said, the one I mostly use is a smaller one. It doesn't fit a lot of space. I've been meaning to get a bigger one, so that will actually come in great help. Well, that is it. Just wanted to do a little unboxing video and show you the cool stuff that he sent. Thanks, Daryl, for sending it. It's in a good home, and I definitely get use out of this bag. I appreciate it, and I'll make sure I put your channel link below when I upload this video, which I'll do pretty soon, hopefully. That's it. If anyone has any comments or questions about any of this stuff or any information more about some of these things, you let me know. And thanks for watching. Okay, I hope everyone has a nice day, and talk to you again soon. Bye, everybody. Bye.